What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? Today we're going for a ride up in Idyllwild. As you can see, it is still smoky as shit. Anyways, this is SyCo Bobby, all the way from far away. It came all the way out here to cruise with me, and his first time up Idyllwild, so it's gonna be cool. Anyways, that's all we're doing today, so stick around and enjoy the video. Well, this is a good test for this camera again, using the so I put the Rode Wireless Go on here, and yeah, we'll see how it sounds. It sounded alright when I did a little test video, but I didn't make a video. And then, like I said, the last time I tried to come out and make a vlog, it was so hot. That was like during those few days where it was like 120 degrees, man. I got home, I went to ride for 40 minutes down in the town, so it's not like I was riding like this. It was like stop and go, and it was so hot. And then like I went and recorded a video like 40 minutes in that heat. I come home, I take my helmet off, and I look at the screen on the GoPro, and it's all twitching out, and I'm like, oh no. And so then I put the memory card in, and I like go look at the footage, and it's only got 2 files on it, and it was like 5 minutes from when I left my house. Like it stopped, like 5 minutes from there it was done. I was like, man, that sucks. Yeah. And then last time, so when I was down to San Diego and I was riding the H2, I was gonna do a video like comparing the R1 to the H2. And so the first half of the day I was riding the R1, none of that footage, all the audio came out fucked up, so I got no audio. I was like, man, this is some bullshit. I need a better solution. Yeah, see, this is from like 2 years ago, all this fire right here. But I mean, it was close as fuck to my house, man. And then we had just bought it. I was like, already? Dude, you're driving and you're not even fucking paying attention. What are you doing? What an idiot. Owning a house up here would be dope. I guess we go, you want straight or left? Oh, there's a trail. Well, let's go this way. It says it's a trail up here. I'm curious. Dude, look at this. Man, that's crazy. That mountain is huge. Yeah, I've never come over here, so I have no idea where I'm going. I'm just cruising here. Yeah, I definitely got to get smaller cheek pads for this thing. I can totally feel it squeezing my damn ears. Yeah, I haven't drank like that in a while. And then I mean, after I drank that, I fucking pounded like 3 other beers, and Adam and DJ made that post was like water and Alka-Seltzer or whatever. I thought that was funny. I was alright. I had a little headache, but nothing. I think I just didn't drink enough water. Oh, this is sick. I like how it looks. Next 22 miles is twisties? Huh. I need to come up here one day and just do the whole fucking road. I don't even know where this goes. Hey, it says campgrounds. You want to check it out? Oh, there's like a little office area. Perfect. This says bear warning. So there's an outhouse. Huh. How are you supposed to cook? Well, I guess, I mean, maybe, yeah, I was gonna say, maybe you mean grill, like you can't, So this is RV parking. Oh, is that for a car? Oh, they have a grill there, so you can just bring charcoal or wood. Dude, this is kind of cool, man. Come bring some tents, camp, drink, ride during the day, and then drink and barbecue. Dude, that's sick. I'm gonna bring my boy though. He's been wanting to go camping. I didn't even know this was here. He said, but all the hiking's closed, right? Is what he said. Yeah. Oh yeah, they're just reading. So you come out here and read, and we'll do some motherfucking board game, play some card games. It's like chess and. What was the site that he said? And it doesn't look busy, which is cool. Like if it's like that, like you could just chill and not have all these people here, you know? Let's go back, grab some fucking lunch. I think we came from that side, right? Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm totally down. That'd be dope. Cantina Grill. I don't know if they're open though. Yeah, you did? You want to turn around and go there? Alright, let me find a spot to turn around up here. Oh yeah, I think I see people outside. Hell yeah, I'm down for this. And there's perfect parking for the bikes. Oh, that's bumpy. Patio open. No full service. Order first before sitting. Alright. Alright guys, we're gonna try this place out. This little bar and grill. Manzanita Bar and Grill up in Idyllwild. Get a little lunch and go from there. It needs
kind of plain.
Bland. Yeah.
It needs something else in it. It needs to be a little thicker, probably like.
It doesn't taste fresh either. It doesn't have that like fresh salsa, like cilantro,
like,
onion.
I feel like it's like because you look at it. It's
Yeah.
very watery. It's
Yeah.
It's very lacking in anything else in it. You would want like some tomato in there. Very nice cruiser.
It's going. Trying to get out of the heat. Come up here.
That's nice up here.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Not too smoky.
Right.
Not as bad as down
Yeah.
there.
Sorry, I wanted to come out here and check it out because I was debating coming down and trying to find a camp spot and then just hang out for a day. So I wanted to see how the smoke was out here. And
Yeah, we're coming up the hill, and all of a sudden we came up a ways and it got clear. She
Mhm.
said, as you look down in the valley, you see all the smoke settling.
oh yeah.
Should we just go right and make a U-turn somewhere? Okay. Yeah, just in case. Hell no. Alright. Back on the road. Had a good little lunch. I think it was okay. For that price though, I honestly feel like it should have been a lot better. They gave you a lot of food, but like you said, the salsa was like, nah. And the burrito was okay. Like the burrito was okay, but it was not like, I wouldn't be like, you have to go here. Like it wasn't that kind of burrito. Yeah, if you're hungry and you're by it, sure. Oh man, look at that view. Don't look at it, but too late. Ah! Oh, that's crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Clear it out a little bit.
At night, usually around my house, it's pretty nice. I can see the sky and then I can see like the stars and whatnot.
That's crazy though, man. And it's still hazy up here. I felt like it was much clearer up there. And then the fire's over there. I don't know, whatever. I just want to stop, see how bad it is. That's crazy. And this is already like a week into it. Like it was worse at one point. Right? But I am hoping that this fixes my audio issue. As long as the GoPro records, I think I'm good, and I'll have the audio. And then, you know, we'll see how it. The mic the mic I'm using right now is actually a shitty mic. I bought a 3-pack of mics for $8. And then in my other helmet, I have that Purple Panda, which is $40. But the connector on the Purple Panda is a TRRS, and so you have to use that adapter cable, and that cable, that's what fucks up my audio. So I tried to find like the type of cable mic that I have right now is called a TRS, and that's what that's what plugs into like these audio device, or plugs into the GoPro and things like that. So I don't know why they don't just make them like that, but so I found this cheap one and I was like, yeah, I'll try it out, and it doesn't sound that bad for $8, man. I went the little bit of audio that I was able to get out of it, I was like, oh, that's not bad. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It's been a cool day just riding around, enjoying the upper echelon of mountains and roads, and enjoying the cooler weather up and away. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. Big shout out to my boy Bobby for fucking coming all the way out here. It's just been a good day, man. It's just been a good day. I've needed a day like this, just out riding with all the bullshit going on, man. Coming out and getting a nice ride in is just something. It's something about it. It's like food for your soul, man. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell. It definitely helps out the channel. And until next time, peace.